Home and space heaters fire prevention tips. Heating equipment caused an estimated 56,000 home fires and caused 470,000 deaths between 2009 and 2013. Learn how to stay safe. Keep anything that can burn at least 3 feet from any heat sources. Never leave a space heater unattended. Turn off when leaving a room or sleeping area. Never plug a space heater into an extension cord. Never use a cooking stove to heat your home or a clothes dryer. Never use a space heater or any appliance with a damaged cord. Place heaters on a level, flat surface on the ground. Have a qualified service professional inspect the heating system annually. To prevent CO poisoning, it is important to have appliances, such as heating systems and gas appliances, properly installed. Install and maintain smoke, carbon monoxide alarms. It is also important to test the detectors monthly. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any regrettable surprises. For the best home inspection, CLARO Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the Greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.